TikTok SEO is now the #1 easiest way to reach the correct audience every single time you post. For those of you who don't understand SEO right now, this video is everything you need. SEO stands for search engine optimization. When you look something up on Google, any of the results you get, those websites are using SEO to rank for that position on your webpage. But on TikTok, it's a little bit different, and I'm going to show you how I was able to rank this video for every single keyword search term that I wanted to. If you get value from this video, I'd really appreciate if you follow. The first thing you're going to want to do is find the correct keywords for that video. Say that your video is about baseball, you're going to want to take that term and put it into the search bar on TikTok. Then what you're going to get below that is what people are searching up on TikTok as we speak. You can then grab all of those keywords and insert them into your video. From there, you need to know how to rank a video. Now, this is actually really simple. So the first thing that's going to rank is what you say out loud. TikTok is going to be creating auto-generated captions. Number 2 is going to be any captions that you put onto your TikTok video using TikTok native text. Number 3 is going to be anything you put in your description. At the start of my video, I'm always going to say what I'm trying to rank for first. I'm going to have an on-screen hook in the first 3 seconds that also has that keyword in it. Then in my description, I'm going to have the first statement I put in there have that keyword. From there, I would include hashtags that are long tail keywords and statements that are long tail keywords as well.